this dino works. I really need to help you something downstairs. Okay. We filming this building at 2015. This building, that building I did doing a video in 2015 because this is the first time we are doing a video of that building at 2016. Have you enjoyed it?
Yo no sé lo que estás diciendo, yo no sé hablar inglés.
Look there. It's a sense house. They reformed it. First Avenue, 6th floor. Oh my freaking god! $72,000. 3 bedrooms. The pond 6743047. Wow, $72,000 is a lot of dollars. That we're taking her out of the whole money.